Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change a tire on a Chevy Silverado. First, ensure your safety by parking on a firm, level surface away from traffic. Engage the parking brake firmly. Next, gather your necessary tools, the spare tire, jack, lug wrench, and your owner's manual. These are typically stored under the truck bed or behind the rear seat. Being prepared makes the process much smoother. Now, before lifting the truck, use your lug wrench to loosen each lug nut about 1/2 to 1 full turn. Do not remove them yet. Next, find the proper jacking points on your Silverado's frame, usually detailed in your owner's manual. Position the jack securely. Then, slowly raise the truck until the flat tire is completely clear of the ground, allowing for easy removal. With the truck lifted, you can now fully remove the loosened lug nuts. Carefully take off the flat tire and set it aside. Next, lift the spare tire and align its holes with the wheel studs on the hub. Push the spare tire firmly onto the studs. Once it's seated, hand tighten all the lug nuts back onto the spare tire as much as possible. Now partially lower the truck until the spare tire just makes contact with the ground. This provides enough friction to prevent the wheel from spinning while you tighten. Using your lug wrench, fully tighten all the lug nuts in a star pattern. This ensures even pressure. Finally, lower the truck completely, remove the jack, and store all your tools and the flat tire securely. Remember to check the spare's tire pressure soon.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.